Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to select stocks for trading. And the method I'm gonna show you is based on what institutional and professional traders use who dedicate an entire life to trading. So we are gonna select our stocks using price action. It is very easy to understand and implement, but I'm gonna be honest, it requires some work. After all, this is the method that institutional traders use and it is highly effective. So let's get started. And let's start with a part that requires a little work, and that is to create a good watch list, as it's the most easiest and efficient way to find good opportunities. Now, my watch list has about 100 stocks, and almost all of them are first class stocks. What I mean by first class stock is if you go to the monthly time frame and the stock looks like this, where it's in an uptrend, in spite of few ups and downs, the long run is in an uptrend. This is a first class stock. Here is another first class stock. I'll share the stocks names from my watch list in the description of the video. You can copy them or create your own. To add stocks in your watch list on TradingView, you have to click on this plus symbol, type the name and enter. It'll appear here and you can easily navigate with your keyboard up and down arrow key. Now you have your watch list ready and the tough part is over. We will now search for opportunities to trade. Okay, we will now scroll through and find patterns. If you notice, this stock looks like it's in a channel. We will use this tool to draw a trend line connecting the tops, and we also connect the bottoms. This is a channel pattern and we have 3 opportunities to trade here. If you notice, every time it touches the bottom, it spikes back up. So you can wait for it to touch the bottom, and when it shows a sign of a reversal with a green candle, you can buy it and then sell it when it reaches the top. Now the second opportunity, same as how you bought it every time it touched the bottom, you can now short it every time it touches the top and reverses. And the third opportunity is the breakout strategy. You can buy it when it crosses the line and have a breakout. Now this doesn't mean you have to sit in front of your screen and wait for it to reach your price so you can buy or sell. You can simply place an alert at whatever price you want and you will receive a notification on your phone or device whenever the stock touches the price you have set the alert at. In TradingView, this feature is only available in the premium membership, but in Zerodha it's free. This is how you create an alert. Click on More, Set Alert, enter the price you want it to trigger at. I'll add greater than, name your trigger, and there we go. Oh, by the way, the silver position I've taken here is based on the same strategy I've just shown you. It is in a channel, and as I've said, you get an opportunity to buy when it hits the bottom of the channel. Once I got an alert, I saw it formed a green reversal candle and I took it here. Since there are 2 channels colliding here, I have 2 targets. The first target is the blue line, which is a safer bet. A little more riskier bet is the next target, the orange line. So you see, my risk here is only 600 points in case it fails, but if it succeeds, my profit is 3,500 points. Now similarly, you go through your entire watch list, find opportunities, set alert, and when the alert triggers, you buy or sell them. Here's another beautiful opportunity. This stock is on the verge of a breakout, so you can set your alert, and also a very important thing is to wait for the candle to close. And since this is a big channel, you need to wait for it to close strong with a big green candle in the daily time frame. If you have a look at the past 2 or 3 days, it has gone up in the first half of the day, but the second half of the day it has come down. So wait until the closing time, and if at the closing time the candle is still strong, then buy it about 5 or 10 minutes before the market closes. Here's a beautiful example of what I just said. I bought a stock here a few minutes before this day's closing time, and I'll sell it after a few days once it reaches my target. Here I found another pattern. I'll connect the candles and connect it here too. This is a triangle pattern. It works pretty much similar to a channel pattern. Here as well you can see it hit the top and it shows a clear sign of a reversal. So you can short it and your target can be the bottom line. So if you noticed, with just scrolling through few stocks from my list, I have found plenty of opportunities. Like this, if you have a good watch list and observe through the watch list daily at least once, I'm sure you'll find plenty of beautiful opportunities just lying there waiting for you to take them. Well, that's all there is to it. It takes some work and effort, but once you get used to it, it won't take long. I observe my entire watch list of over 100 stocks daily in less than 20 minutes. So if you found this video helpful, please do leave a like. It feels really good to know you're finding it helpful. Also do subscribe, as plenty of mind-blowing videos coming out soon.